Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am jumping into my March 2022 BOXYCHARM box. This is the premium box. We're going to do unboxing, reviews, the works, and we're going to do all of that today. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, the Game Changer box, stay tuned. Now first, I know I posted a spoiler video the other day and I did accidentally talk about spoilers from last year and said I was disappointed because they were products we already received, and we already received them because I was looking at spoilers from the wrong year, so I am sorry about that. Today we are genuinely opening the premium box for March this year, 2022, not 2021. The theme, as I said earlier, is BOXYCHARM Game Changers, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. This is going to be variation 300. So you know it's going to be one of those big variation kind of months. Last month there weren't as many variations and I got really excited. And this month we're back to a bunch of variations. All right, so first things first, jumping into the Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stressed Muscle Gel, Focusing and Soothing. Experience the cooling, comforting, and transformative powers of the invigorating black pepper, warming ginger, and detoxifying rosemary in this award-winning gel, the perfect antidote for an intense workout or a demanding day, retailing for $40. This does have a lot of great botanicals in it, and it's definitely a really cool product. Typically, this is not something that I would use, but I'm really intrigued by the smell, so I'm going to try it. Definitely a lot of lavender in here, nice and cooling. And it doesn't leave a lot of like slickness to the skin. It's definitely nice and soothing. So I know that this is probably something I won't use a lot of, but I don't know if I've mentioned this on my channel before. Brandon has some back issues. Not new. This has been going on over 10 years, so something like this might be really good for him. Next, from Grace and Stella, these are the Everything is Better in Pink Eye Mask Collagen Boosters. I have received these before, and I believe I got them in a BOXYLUXE a very long time ago, or they were sent to me in PR. Either way, I have definitely received these before. Retailing for $24, these pretty in pink eye masks are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes, formulated with palmitoyl trimeptide 5, that's a hard word, to stimulate and boost collagen production, fructose to attract and retain moisture on the skin, and horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. Goodbye, dark circles. These eye masks are key to improving skin texture and firmness, retailing for $24 and it's 12 pairs, so about $2 a pair. I have used these before, so I can tell you I do like them. They are not my favorite eye mask in the world, but they're okay. I do definitely prefer either the Live Tinted ones that I always keep in my desk drawer, or the Wander Beauty ones, which I'm currently out of, or the one size ones, because those are massive. Those are going to be the three that I definitely like the most. But these ones were okay. I have so many eye masks in general that that's probably going to get dropped into a giveaway. Next, from the brand The Nuco, this is the Pill All-in-One Serum, retailing for $85. This is a single daily dose of high-potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. Combining the best of clinical and natural, it delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. Now, one of the key ingredients in this is lactic acid, which is one of my all-time favorite skincare ingredients. And I am going to use this moment to like shamelessly plug another lactic acid serum, because Olga Lorenzen, I love her lactic acid serum, and they just relaunched it, and she did send it to me. This is not sponsored, but I am so happy to have this back in my life. You will notice that it is a different packaging now. It is a much more luxurious packaging and definitely a much more beautiful bottle, but this is hands down my favorite lactic acid serum I have been using. I haven't had it for about 6 months since they sold out, maybe like 8 months, but I went through like several bottles of these before it went out. It is magical. So a serum that does something similar, I'm intrigued by. But until I finish this one up, I will not be opening a new one because like I say in every video, once you open it, it does have an expiration date and it does start to expire. So I definitely recommend finishing the one you're using first before jumping into something new. Another product I'm familiar with, and one that I actually didn't like. This is the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Makeup Primer. It is a glass skin glow primer. The reason I don't like this primer is twofold. First, loaded in silicones and dimethicones, which I do like to smooth the skin out. However, ascorbic acid, or vitamin C, is the last ingredient in there, which means that there's just enough in there so they can say that it's a vitamin C primer, and I personally don't like that. If something is going to claim to do something, I want it to actually do it. Otherwise, just say what it is, and that is it's a silicone primer. I also lately have been very into tinted moisturizers and not doing super full coverage, and a lot of the ones I've used don't really sit well on top of silicone primers, so I have kind of moved away from silicone primers and more into water-based primers. Prep your skin for flawlessly dewy makeup application with a cushiony texture. This primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. Like I said, not a product that's really for me. The choice item that I was actually hoping to receive, and I said it in that spoiler video, this is what I want to try. It is going to be from Keys. This is the Keys Soul Care Skin Transforming Cream. It is fragrance-free with bakuchiol. Fragrance-free hydrating and moisturizing face cream that will reveal a plumped and radiant looking skin with bakuchiol, malachite, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. Now, ignoring the fact that it is a celebrity-owned line, which I know some people love and some people don't, I'm a fan of Alicia Keys, so I'm obviously really excited to try this. I will, just like I said with the serum, I currently have 2 or 3 moisturizers open, so this is going to be going into my rotation for immediately after I'm done with my current open moisturizers. And when I finish one, I can open a new one. I try not to have more than 2 or 3 open because I don't want them to expire before I get a chance to use them. But this will 100% be going into my rotation and is absolutely the item I wanted to try. Retailing for $30. And the last item is one that I was very excited to talk about, and it is the only real makeup product in the box. This is the Aether Beauty Big Bang Mascara. The ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara that truly does it all for this out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. Retailing for $28. Now, I do already own this. I have been using this for quite some time. I am a big fan of it, and since this is the only makeup item in the box, I will be using this in one of my other unboxings, and I will try it on in that video so you can see it live with an eyeshadow palette that came in my Luxe box, and you'll see that all together. But I do want to talk about this wand and this formula. I don't love massive wands, and this one is very long and skinny. It really does coat every single lash beautifully, and I have used it on my channel many, many times. It is something that if you are here frequently is no stranger to you. Beauty for Real High Def and Aether Beauty Big Bang are the 2 mascaras I typically go between the most frequently, and that is something I am super excited to have another one of. Now, all in, the premium box costs about $40 to purchase, and this box was a $239 value, which is obviously a much larger value than the amount you would pay to get the box. Whenever I look at any of these boxes, the way I analyze if it was a good box or not is, would I be better off taking that money and going to Ulta or Sephora and just buying something? And in this case, the answer is no. The box was definitely better. The mascara itself is $28, and I am thrilled to have a backup of it. And the Keys Soul Care, which was $30, this combination pays for the box itself. Plus, this was really the only product in the box that I was like actively a dud for me. Again, I have so many eye masks that I don't need more. But the average person, I'm sure, doesn't have the same hoard of stock that I have, so I'm sure that somebody else would get a lot more out of it. I love lactic acid, and I am excited to try that serum once I finish the Olga one that I'm obsessed with. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you have to say, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!